Hi, this is Ramya. I'm from Hyderabad. I work as a lead HR in Tech Mahindra. So I've joined Garbha Sanskara when I was 5 months pregnant. It was recommended by one of my cousins. So I think during my pregnancy there was no complication, but in fifth month there was a small complication due to which we got very panic. So that's where the news got till my cousin, and she told, don't get panic. These kind of situations you'll get lot going through your pregnancy till your last day. So it's better you join Garbha Sanskara so that you will have, even if you have some doubts or panic issues or anything, you can I'm like learn from other pregnant women, so the coach, whoever is teaching you the other things. When I was non-pregnant, whatever yoga poses I used to do with my that big fat tummy. Even I think I remember on the day of delivery also I did my yoga class, and I
Yes.
discussed, and I've joined the hospital. I've delivered in Rainbow. So my pregnancy was good. After joining Garbha Sanskar, a lot of issues have been solved. I was having a severe back pain. I was having a sciatica pain actually. It got aggravated in the pregnancy and even back pain. But yeah, gradually from my fifth month when I've joined Garbha Sanskar, and from there to sixth month, I think it really got solved. Even after post delivery, also till now, I don't have any kind of back pain or sciatica issues. That's the biggest good part of Garbha Sanskara. And second thing, which was happened only because of Garbha Sanskara, is my normal delivery. Why? Because it was my baby was almost 3.6 to 8 when it was scanned. I was having 3 more weeks for my due date. I was not got any pains, nothing. Everything was going normal. But my baby, healthy baby, but the weight was heavy. It was 3.6. So doctor told, if you wait for other 2 weeks or 3 weeks till your due date, the baby might get till 4.5 kgs also, where the normal delivery is not possible. Now also you take a call whether you want to go for a normal delivery or a C-section, because doctor was also, I'm like, they were also very supportive. But yeah, I think due to Garbha Samskara, whatever the classes we used to take, what is the process, that centimeter of dilution, nothing I was aware. Everything I have learned from Garbha Samskara. Even my husband learned lot of things, because mostly the male guys doesn't know. Though they are very much educated, this small topic which they learn in 10th class, they'll miss it. So I
Yes.
think Garbha Sanskara again get them back to the notes or whatever things. So yeah, it helped. My labor pain. Labor hours was 26 hours actually.
Hmm.
To be honest, most of the doctors also in the labor ward thought I would have gone. I will go for a C-section after 12 hours or after 18 hours of my labor hours. But yes, no, I have successfully delivered. Though it was really tough, but I have delivered a baby. In fact, I've learned in Garbha Sanskara not only for mother, it is the same way it is difficult for baby as well. So
Yes.
that's where I think my coach Chandralekha told me you have to prepare your baby also every day, that you have to come this way, this way. I think I have done it pretty well, because with my baby, whoever joined, everyone got C-section, because either baby used to swallow their own motion, or the
Mhm.
breathing issues, heartbeat issues. Two, three people got C-section, but my baby was very supportive. He stayed for 26 hours, even after
That's
group of
amazing.
water.
Yeah.
He was, in fact, he was heavy, right? He was not
Hmm.
even able to move because he himself was 3.6 inside. He was very
Correct.
tight. He came out. In fact, last step was a forceps. Since his head was big, doctor used a forceps to bring him out.
Hmm.
But yeah, all these things I could have, I've made only because of my willpower, and that all came with Garbha Sanskara, honestly.
Amazing.
Because I was pregnancy, baby delivery is all new thing, and I'm really, really scared of that part, because I'm always like a tom girl who are never into these kind of girl issues and other stuff.
Mhm.
But yeah, luckily now I am with a baby, blessed with a baby boy, healthy baby boy. After delivery also, I think I didn't have any back pain issues. A lot of people told if you take epidural, you will have back pain issues and other stuff. Touch wood. So far, I don't have anything. I wanted to join back yoga so that I can reduce my little weight, but unfortunately, I'm not getting that time. But soon
Yes.
I'm gonna join back. I've recommended a lot of people also. I myself thought these kind of yoga, if people do, lot of people will not have these PCDO issues, and whoever is not having babies, mostly, like I've seen a lot of my friends going to doctors, multi specialty hospitals, all reports of husband wife is good. Only matter is stress. I think if they
Yes.
join these kind of classes, at least they will know how to handle your stress, when to do, what to do,
Yes.
other stuff, what kind of food. I don't think so. Garbha Sanskara people give us very, I'm like, too much of diet that where people cannot follow, only celebrities can follow. It's not really. I'm like, you guys, only thing is in a quantity what we should take. Like I had a breathing issue from day one. If I eat after 8 o'clock, I have stopped it. I myself, I have not ate anything overeating. Lot of people say you should eat twice. I'm like 2 times people what eat because you have a
Correct.
baby, but that's not true. I've got to know after coming to Garbha Sanskara class, because they say as you eat whatever you can eat.
Yes.
In fact, we eat less than what we eat in the normal times.
Correct.
Because there is no place for the digestion. I have learned how it compress all your body parts and how many days it will take after delivery to come down, all these things.
Yes.
Otherwise, for everything, I'm sure we would have been panic, calling doctor, all this stuff. I think most of the time things have been solved. In fact, I have educated a lot of people. Even in our classes, when I came to till 10th month, I'm like, even a lot of people are not aware that pregnancy is 10 months.
Yes.
Everyone thinks it is 9. Even
9
I
months.
thought it is 9 months, but it is
Correct.
10 months. I have seen my 10th month. I have told a lot of my other pregnant women who are started their journey with Garbha Sanskara, who are at 3, 5. I felt so proud when I was solving their issues, where
Super.
I was in their place sometime. So yeah, I think that's it. It was really good.
And how was your baby's
Collaborating with Garbha
development after the
Sanskara.
birth? How was the developmental milestones after the baby's birth?
Yeah, he's good. He's very active. He's not like other. I don't know. Like everyone say, you should not compare a pregnancy. Same way, you should not compare a children. But yeah, one thing, other babies see cartoon. My baby listens Omkara, Gayatri Mantra, and all. I'm like spiritual things. When he listen now, also we make him listen all spiritual things and make him sleep. He will sleep. He's good. I think I've 10 days he was only for the Om sound. He used to sleep because we used to do a lot of Omkaras in our pregnancy. I think so. That's the reason.
Amazing. Very, very big milestone. Congratulations, Ramya and Santosh, both together, because
Thank
you
you.
have both together worked during pregnancy and also during the labor, which really gave you a wonderful result. Thank you so much for being in our community and giving such a wonderful baby for this wonderful world. Santosh, what do you have to say? Because you have been a wonderful husband for Ramya, always being there with her.
Yeah, leg massage especially.
Yes.
Thanks for teaching all men that leg massages.
There is nothing to say, but we enjoyed it. We enjoyed it a lot, and your your way of explaining the things and the yoga thing, everything got changed. Yeah, it was good.
I think labor process which you have told to all the men, it really helped them to wait in the labor ward with us.
Yes.
What is a process they already know. Otherwise, like normal layman men, they used to think why so much time, what's happening. These guys know that 10 centimeters. These guys have prepared. I think Santosh was asking how many centimeters got diluted to doctor.
Yeah. So I think all this was because of the labor management classes and all about
Yes. Completely.
Yeah, those classes were useful.
Yes.
Because men should know what is happening with
because all these things are never taught in schools nor colleges. In fact, everybody
at
should
least not in the brief. at all.
Yes, yes, definitely. Thank you so much for that patience during pregnancy and also after pregnancy. Amazing. So great. Thank you so much for again being in our community. And we look, your baby will become such a great person in the future and serve many other people in this country. Thank you so much for this wonderful
Yeah.
child.
Thank you.